Hi, in this video, we'll learn how to use the filter, trim and different effects to your video. We'll see the filter. There are variety of filters like aesthetic, create and glitch RGB and many more. So you can have your own filters. You can adjust by doing some settings also. You can apply to all the videos at same time. You can have the intensity of your filter, and as you can see in the video the difference. Then you can trim your video at different timeline, so you can have 1 second, 2 seconds, 14 seconds, 23 seconds and many more. You can apply the visual multiple effects. You can apply beats, basics, RGB, blur and many more. These are used during the transition of your video. If you feel this content is really good and helpful for you to understand the quick VN editor, then please follow and subscribe to our channel.